welcome back to my channel. I haven't been on here in so long. It's been over a year, so I do apologize about that. I just haven't been inspired and been kind of down and in the dumps since the whole pandemic started and working from home, so it's kind of made me not want to do anything else. But today I am back. So since then I have moved. So we did move November of last year. So that's been amazing. And I'm still working from home for my job. So today's video is, I have a good friend of mine that started her own nail business, and it's real acrylic nails that she designs herself. And she shapes them into whatever shape you want, and then you just glue them onto your nails. So I'm gonna be reviewing those today and telling you a little bit about the business. She did just start the business, so it is a small business, and I'm all for supporting my friends and small businesses. So I just think it's amazing what she's doing, and her nails cost less than if you were to go to a nail salon and get your nails done there, plus the tip. All right, so she gave me this cute little bag here. The lady that owns the business, her name is V. Her name's Venetia, but we call her V for short. And the business is called Nails by Lady Sweetice. So first, I'm just gonna show you the nails that I got, and then I will tell you a little bit more about the business. So the nails do come in a box like this. All right, and then these are the nails. Like, look how pretty those are. Like, she did the designs herself and everything. She shaped them. So she did all of this herself, and I just think that's so amazing and creative. And these are just so beautiful. And then every order gets this little card that has steps on it on what to do and how to apply your nails. All right, and then each order does get like a buffer, a nail file, you get some nail glue and a cuticle pusher, as well as, it looks like this is an alcohol wipe. So here's the buffer. Here's the nail file. And then you have your little cuticle pusher and to clean under your nails. And then here's the nail glue. And then looks like there's two. Yeah, there's two alcohol prep pads right here. And she did give me some business cards. So it's Nails by Lady Sweetice is the name of her business. So you can follow her on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. So I will link everything down below and as well as on the screen. And she does have an email where you can reach her as well. She does include stickers for the kiddos, which is pretty awesome. So I know my youngest daughter is gonna enjoy these stickers. And then she also gives you, I think these are gel tabs, so if you want to use these instead of the glue. So the design I got is called Shell and Shine, and these are long style coffin shaped, okay? Now these are all handmade, which is amazing. She does ship all over the US for $9 for shipping. She is based out of Louisville, Kentucky. Now she can do custom designs. You just have to message her by either emailing her or on one of her social medias, and she can see if she's able to do the design and let you know. And she does offer 3 lengths, so she does short, long, and extra long, okay? And I will show pictures of each one. So this is what the short looks like. Mine is long because I didn't want anything. I didn't want short, but not super long either, so I can still do stuff. And then this is what the extra long looks like. For the extra long, the shape she offers coffin and square. For the long shape, she offers square, ballerina, stiletto, and coffin and square. Then for the short, she offers ballerina, square, and almond. All right, and then for the nails, solid colors are $12. A simple design is $20. Complex designs in rhinestones will cost you anywhere between $30 and $35. All right, so the first thing you want to do before you apply the nails is you want to wash your hands so you can get off any oils and dirt, okay? So I already washed my hands, so I'm good on that. The next thing we want to do is push back our cuticles. So I'm gonna point my camera down so you can see better, okay? Now that I got my cuticles pushed back on both hands, is that you want to use the nail file to file the entire nail bed to remove shine and a rough surface, allowing for better adhesion. I got my nail file right here. So I filed both hands. So now what you want to do is use the alcohol pad to remove dust from nails. Then if you want, at this point, you can go ahead and apply a nail dehydrant. I'm going to open my alcohol pad. And also use rubbing alcohol with the cotton ball as well. Alright, I got the dust off my nails now. So now what you want to do is put each nail on its respective nails to check sizing and file as needed. Alright, and then of course you would have to cut the tip off the glue so it will flow. So if you just want to wear them for a short term, you only apply the glue along the borders of your nails right here. And for long-term use, saturate the full nail bed with a layer of glue and then apply the nail, pressing firmly for 7 seconds. Alright, and then tip 1 says apply glue and press on nail close to cuticle parallel to nail bed and press nail down onto nail bed. Tip 2, base coat gel and acrylic can be used instead of glue. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and check out the sizing here. Look how pretty that is. So I want to do long-term wear, so I'm going to go ahead and saturate my whole nail bed with the glue. I'm going to press down firmly for 7 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, I'm just going to press it down. Make sure it's on there good. Okay, look how pretty that is. So I'm going to go ahead and show you all how to do the rest of the nails, and then I'll be right back. So I'm just going to speed through this part. Look how cute those are. Those are so cute. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do my right hand off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I got the nails on both my hands. Like, look at those. Those are just so freaking beautiful. Like, she did a dope job. So on this hand, I did it a little different. So I got the shell one on this finger and on my middle finger, and then the rest of them have the glitter. So you can Yes, and also these are reusable. I think you can wear them up to like 2 or 3 times. So it's definitely worth the money. Like, it's about half the cost of what you would pay at the nail salon if you just need something like real quick in a hurry and you're not able to get to the nail salon. These are the nails for you, and they are just so gorgeous. Yes. Like I said before, I will link her social media down below. Her email is beautybyladiesweetice@gmail.com. Her Snapchat is @lady-sweetice. Her Instagram page is @beautybyladiesweetice. And her Facebook is also the same as well, @beautybyladiesweetice. Alright, so that concludes my video for today, guys. I'm so happy that I got to make this video for you all. It felt so good being back in front of the camera and hanging out with you all today. Definitely let me know down in the comments what you think of my nails. I hope you all will shop Beauty by Lady Sweetice, get you some nails. And she's such a really sweet lady. Like, I love her so much. So definitely shop small business. Also, let me know down in the comments what you would like to see for me in future videos, because I definitely want to start filming more for you guys and start interacting with you all more. I know I kind of fell off the wagon, so I do apologize. Depression is a you-know-what, as well as anxiety. So definitely let me know down below how you all have been handling the pandemic and any mental illness that you may have, because I would love to hear your stories and tips and tricks as well. So thank you so much for checking out my video today, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.